Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you are enjoying your summer. Today I will be sharing two very refreshing drinks with you that you can definitely use this summer to entertain your guests. The first one is strawberry and mint mojito. I'm going in with the lemon and the strawberries. After that, I will be adding some mint and I'll crush everything nicely until it's very smooth. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. If you're new here, you are very welcome. If you like easy, quick and very delicious recipes, subscribe and make sure you activate your notification bell. I'm going in now with some ice and I will add a little bit of pink gin and diet lemonade. But feel free to add any fizzy drink of your choice. This is like, I think 4% alcohol in it. And I'm sure you will agree with me. This is another quick drink that you can make and your guests will going to love you and thank you for it. Enjoy. And now I'm going to show you the second drink. Very easy, and all you need is some mint, 2 kiwis, a little bit of honey and some blueberries. I'm going in now with the mint, kiwi, and I will be topping it up with the blueberries. Make sure you mash everything nicely and you can add the same drink again that I used earlier with some ice and you will be good to go. If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. It's time now to add the lemon and a little bit of honey. And guys, at the end of the video, don't forget to let me know which drink is your favorite because I love reading your comments, so keep them coming. Now everything is mashed up properly and I'm going in with some ice and a little bit of the drink. And there you have it. This is our mint and blueberries mojito ready. Enjoy. If you love today's recipe, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe as well if it's your first time coming across my channel. I will see you all in my next one. Take care for now. Au revoir. Bye.